Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which, unlike other data types that hold only single value as an element, dictionary holds key value pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. A dictionary can be created by placing sequence of elements within curly braces separated by comma. Dictionary holds a pair of values, one being the key and the other corresponding pair element being its value. Values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas keys can't be repeated and must be immutable. So let's see what does a dictionary look like. Let's say dict equal to, and we'll open and close curly braces, and in the middle here we'll have a key which is 1, and the value will be call, for example, as a string. And let's have another key which is number 2. The value will be off, and the third key is number 3, and the third value of that is duty. So this is our dictionary. We can also create a dictionary with mixed keys. So let's have dict1 equal to, and let's say name, and that will be Beck, for example. Then let's have number 1, and number 1 will be equal to a list actually, and it will hold inside 3 integers. And the third element, we will have it as a string, which is called key, and the value for that will be also a list, which will hold mixed elements, so 100, then value as a string, and number 200. And if we'll print that, we can also iterate through the dictionary. So we can say for x in dict1, and let's print x. So we have name as first key, 1 as a second key, and key as a third key. The last thing that I want to show you here is we can have nested dictionaries also. So let's say nested dict, and this will be equal to 1 call, and also 4, and the third key will actually hold inside it another dictionary. So we'll say A will be equal to hello, and B will be equal to or set to 100, for example, and that's it. And let's print the nested dict, and it has everything inside it, and also for I in nested dict, let's print the I, and we have 1, 2, and 3.